Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you how to use market sentiment to figure out what positions you're going to take in the market. So the first step for you to do daily is to go to my FX book. And this is literally like an indicator, but it's like a leading indicator. So it's basically the most perfect indicator you can think of. All the other ones are lagging, they're late, and they inform you basically after the move has already happened. So I'm going to try to click out of this. I don't see anywhere to click out of this. So this is a bit strange. Let me just go back. And this is how you get to it. You go to my FX book, you go to community tab, and then you go to sentiment. So currently we're looking at GBP USD. And as you can see, majority of the traders are long, which are retail traders. They're usually trading in the wrong direction. Majority are long, and we have all these short positions, right? So since we see that majority are long, we're actually looking to go short. So all we have to do is we can use our supply and demand indicator, or we can just go here and we mark off a point of interest. So we have a point of interest right here. And I suggest sticking to the 1 hour time frame. Point of interest right here. We have another point of interest in here, up here, right? So now that we see that, we plan to go short. So basically we're looking for the break of structure around right here. And then we're looking to go short right here. And the process is fairly simple. And I'm going to show you for more pairs. Then you want to take profit in these areas, and then you can aim lower if price continues to break structure. So this would be TP1 right here. Okay, so let's look at something else. Let's look at Euro USD, right? So as you can see, my mic almost fell. As you can see on Euro USD, majority of the traders are long. So you're looking to go short. So you're looking for point of interest. As you can see, this was a point of interest right here. This is basically all the news. So a lot of retail traders got liquidated. So we have a point of interest right here. We have another point of interest around like right here. So basically we're looking for price to move up in these direction, reject, and move down. So price will either move down from here, or price will go up here. So really all it takes is patience, right? Let's look at something else. I'm actually in a position right now. I was looking at gold. Been kind of staring at this all day, but a lot of news been coming in. So let's look for gold. So we have XAU, USD, majority of traders are long. So you're looking to go short, right? So we have a point of interest in these areas right here. I was actually in this position right here. My stop loss was at break even by the time it got down here. Price came up for the news that happened. So I'm still looking to zero in on these levels right here, on this zone right here. So I'm looking to go short around here. Stop loss around up here, right? Basically, you're doing the opposite of what you see most people are doing on here. Should be TP1, and then you can aim lower for TP2, TP3 to just, you could take profits down here. Yep. As you can see, price keeps rejecting higher. Let's look at something else. Let's look at, I don't know what SGD JPY is. We can give it a look, but I really don't know what that is. So I'm just going to avoid that. Let's look for something where it's a major difference. So like AUD, NZD. So you're going to see a major difference on them. And this is going to be the last one we look at because I wanted to make the video really quick. So as you can see, majority of traders are short. So we're looking to go long. Majority of traders are, short. So we're looking to go long. Even though the trade, it's the trend is up. So of course we're going to look to go long. So we have a point of interest right here, which is an order block. So what we do, we wait for price to come down, tap into this level. Looking for price to aim higher. And you check this on a daily basis. Once it hits your TPs and your positions, you're looking for price to aim higher. And you can literally set buy and sell limits, but you want to make sure it's coming into the correct area of interest. So that's an area of interest, and you have an area of interest right here, which has already been mitigated, which is right here, already been mitigated. And it could come down here and tap into it even more, but I could see it happening right here since we have this current trend that's being maintained. So I could see it coming down here and happening right here. So, and then we can keep aiming higher for higher highs. We look on the higher time frame to see our next targets. We can target up here. And then we could target even higher. These highs. Right now, we're just gonna like go with what we see and just target. You can either target this, which is a 1 to 4. You can target up here. You could also use your moving average just to help you gauge the trend as a lagging indicator, you know. Let's actually go with 200 since it's more likely to. As you can see, it's an uptrend. You don't want to be selling. You don't want to be doing what a retail trader is doing. I mean, you could sell from here since it's rejecting this point of interest, but you're better off waiting for it to get into this area and tap and go long since you are following the trend and you don't want to counter trend trade. So that's it for the video. I'm going to wrap it up right now. So that's it. Peace.